Hello friends and welcome back to our channel, and I have a small problem. Throughout the many years that Pat and I have been making things, we have accumulated a lot of extra props and nowhere to display them. In this video, I'm going to correct that. Over a year ago, Patrick and I started a series about giving our basement a new makeover with a fantasy twist. Today, we are finally getting around to doing the next installment. Luna here has found this old DVD shelf that is just dying for a makeover. The inspiration for this shelf comes from probably one of our favorite video games, Skyrim. Here is the pattern I came up with. You might be thinking, Katora, why are you using floor mat instead of wood? One of my goals when working on this is not to purchase anything new and use what I have on hand, and I have a ton of floor mats that are just begging to be used. After I have copied the sketch onto the floor mats, the bandsaw made quick work of them. The belt sander will smooth down the rough edges, and my handy rotary tool will take care of the rest. I used hot glue to attach the scales to the base. After putting together the world's easiest jigsaw puzzle, some quick seal will come in handy to close those gaps. I would like to take a moment and thank you for watching this video. If you are enjoying this video, could you do us a favor and hit the like button and possibly the subscribe button if you'd like to see more content like this in the future? Googly eyes for rivets. With everything put together, I'm going to haul this outside and give it a couple of good coats of Plasti Dip. To attach the pieces to the shelf, I used contact cement and hot glue. To hide those ugly seams, I'm going to use EVA foam for edge banding. When I was coming up with the plan for the shelf makeover, I really liked the idea of iron and wood, the two textures, and having it be different from the other shelf we have in set. Our grand goal for this basement is to have it look like it's been put together over time, piece by piece. Patrick and I really like the idea of having the basement look like an old fantasy tavern / tinkerer's workshop. To help achieve the iron look, I used modeling paste and a stiff bristle brush. The stiffer, the better for this one. Just dab away to your heart's content. An added bonus with this technique is a great way to cover up those seam lines if you haven't already. When the modeling paste is dry, you can just paint right over top of it. There is no need to prime it. For a little extra pizzazz, I used bronze acrylic paint for a pop of color. A little bit of silver dry brushing will close out this project. I would like to thank you again for watching this video, and if you haven't already, make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Now let's check out those final results.